Hi, and welcome to this video from the 2019 paper 1. This is for the junior cert higher level, and it's question 8 we're on here. So as always, if you want a copy of the notes I'm working off, just send me an email to shanetroy@gmail.com. That email address should be in the description below. Now I suggest having a pause, just having a go. This question here is 10 marks. There's only a part, there's no part A, B, whatever, so it's just 10 marks. The Venn diagram below shows the number of people in a youth club. That's the total number of people. Some of them play music. That's denoted with M, so that's this set here. And sports, okay, is the second set. Now, some people can or want to, whatever, play music and play sports. So that's your commonality. And then whoever doesn't play either music or sports but is part of the U Club, okay, is out here. So there's 125 people don't play music or sports. Okay, and then you have this everybody else accounted for in here. So the question then is work out the maximum number of people who could be in the U Club. So we don't actually know what the value of n is, so we don't actually know what these two values here are. We're trying to, I suppose, here talking about in the sense of maximum, we're looking at creating an inequality that would cover, no matter how big n is, what the situation would be. So the number of people in the U Club, okay, or I suppose the number in the U Club, that's equal to everybody. So all the people outside here, the 125, okay, plus the 52 here, okay, plus, now, if this n, the biggest that could be is 184, because that would, 184 take away the biggest that could be 184 would give 0. If it was bigger than 184, you have a negative number here, and you can't have a negative person, okay. So probably what we need to do here is just, first of all, if you weren't even sure what you were doing, you might just add everything. Okay, it's 184, take away n, plus the 2n there. Okay, so I've literally accounted for these people, these people, these people, and these people. All of them added together is everybody. Okay, now what's going to happen then is this 2n take away n are going to cancel one of them, so you're going to be left with 125, actually, I'll go to the answer. You're left with, now, if I add this number, this number, this number, I get 361. The 2n take away n subtracted to give just 1n, and that equals everybody. Okay, so the biggest n could be, as we said, was 184. So 361 plus the maximum of 184 would give a total of 545. Okay, and that is the answer. Okay, so that's, I think, it for question 8. Okay, so see you on question 9.